guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. Make sure as you watch this video you subscribe and press on that notification bell. Yeah, so today we are going to make breakfast, and it's weekend. Yeah, so we are going to make some pancakes for breakfast. Yeah, so let's make breakfast together. Yeah, so guys, the ingredients I'm going to use to make breakfast, I'm going to use some flour, sugar, salt, milk and eggs. Yeah, that's all I'm going to use to make this. Let me show you what I'm using. Yeah, so this is like flour. Yeah, pure flour for two. There's nothing. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the dry ingredients. I'll add sugar. Yeah, I don't like a lot of sugar. I think that's enough. Then I'll add salt, just a little bit for taste. Yeah, then I'll use this whisk to mix the sugar and the salt. So after mixing, the next thing I'm going to add the eggs. I'm using just 2. Yeah, then again I'll whisk the bowl. Next thing, I'm going to add milk. Yes, as you can see, it has started to form well. Yeah, so you continue whisking. These balls are completely done. The small fluff balls that are inside. So, yeah, and guys, I forgot one ingredient. You can also put cooking oil, but this is optional if you want. I prefer putting it now so that when I'm cooking I don't have to use the cooking oil. Yeah, so you add that as the last thing as you keep. Yeah, so after it's completely done, you let it settle kidogo. Then once it's settled, we'll start cooking it. So you just let it settle for some time. Yeah, so once the pan is hot, guys, you can now put the pancake like this. Yeah, then you can just spread it. Yeah, so you wait for the bubbles to form. Once the bubbles are formed, you can now flip the pancake. Yeah, so you just give it time. If you turn before the bubbles form, it will not haitaiva. Let me put it that way. As you can see, the bubbles have started forming already. You flip. Yeah, then you also let the other side to cook. Yeah, so as you can see, it has already turned. So the next thing is you flip to the other side. Imetokea supu. So this one has come out really nice. This other side is not yet cooked, so you give it time. And then the pan has become so dry, so you can add like some bit of oil huko kwa side too. So both sides are cooked. This is ready. Stop.
My appetite, don't leave me high and dry.